Today, I've forgotten something. And it's something I don't want to forget, so I'm going back to get it. I haven't gone too far, so it's not too late to get my hot sausage. That's right, I'm on a camping trip tonight, and I don't want to forget my dinner. And now for take 2. Today, I'm on a camping trip. I'm going to meet up with Dave, and we're going to one of our favorite spots. Now, I haven't been here for at least 3 years. It was 2019 the last time we were here, so I'm looking forward to seeing how much it's changed. Even though this is a place I've been before, this trip is going to be a little different. See, Dave has decided not to take his motorcycle. The CRF250 is in the garage, and today he has his four-wheeler, a 2001 Polaris Sportsman 570.
Not too much. How are you?
Awesome.
Good. Picking up some essentials.
Spray.
Yep.
Forgot that.
Can't forget that.
Did you?
No, I got some.
Damn it.
Oh.
Well, we got extra.
Did you bring your umbrella?
Nope. But I brought a tarp.
That'll do it.
Now. Probably gonna need it in a little while.
Yep.
Yeah. How's it look? Getting dark behind you?
It's getting dark.
All right, let's get moving, I guess.
All right.
I'll be in the truck relaxing.
Okay. I'll be fighting the wind
I know.
and rain.
Yeah, it ain't gonna rain. Shouldn't have said that.
It's not long before we hit the dirt road, and it couldn't come too soon. We're expecting rain later tonight, and we need to get set up fast. There are potential severe thunderstorms coming our way, and we want to be ready.
Huh? That's a good fit. Yeah, it is. Yeah, then I was thinking. There you go. You know what I mean? Sprinkling?
harder a campsite is to get to, the better. It keeps a lot of people away. In this case, the narrow trail means this is ATV access only. There's no way you're getting a truck through here. Add the washout, and this is one of the most secluded campsites I can think of. The last time we were here was 2019, and this is what it looked like. We all made it.
Woo! That was deep.
That was really fucking deep. Look at my ass.
You see the deer, the doe sitting in the field?
No.
Just staring at us?
Yeah, I saw
laying
that.
right down?
2022 looks a little different. There is no water. It's been a dry summer, and you can tell. Dave has caught fish here before, but there's no point in stopping this time around. There's not enough water to even make a mud puddle. Here we are at our first campsite. It's Friday night, and Mo can't wait to get to bed. So lays it right down.
Oh.
In 2022, the campsite doesn't look that much different.
Wonderful.
Well, there.
Not too bad.
Couple little trees. It's not bad.
Yeah. A little bit of water in there.
All right.
So I just leave this on run all the time.
Okay.
And then like you just turn this key on, and you pull the brake in.
Yep.
You know all that. And,
Yep.
Yep. And then you shift her all the way up to high. So I just that's it there. I just leave that on run. This is reverse, and that'll it only goes one speed unless you hit this, and it'll go really fast. You don't want to do it. It's crazy.
Yeah.
But then like of course your two-wheel drive. It shows it here. You swap it over. It'll probably eventually, if you move, it'll probably change anyway. I just leave on 2. It's not going any mud anyway.
Okay.
You don't have to hit anything special. You just take it, you put up in the high or whatever. Just drive it right straight up. There you go, just like so.
Yep.
And then throttle. That's it. That's back brake, and this does all the brakes.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Yeah.
Yeah.
That's it.
Got it.
It's easy.
Cool. Thanks.
All you. Give her hell.
Dave is nice enough to let me ride his four-wheeler, and right off the bat, I can see some advantages over the motorcycle. You don't have to worry at all about keeping your balance, getting caught in ruts, or slipping off the berm in the middle of the trail. It's a lot more relaxing to just sit back, hit the throttle, and steer over anything in your path. Who knows? Maybe a four-wheeler's in my future.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I thought you were going to go up for the bearings.
No.
No?
Just a quick ride.
I guess. That was quick. Next time, on alone. Dave tries to catch some fish for dinner and failed.
Now he's gonna start with that.
Dave brought sushi, thank God.
Since it's raining, I decide to cook my sausages under the tarp.
Oh. With the grease drip down there.
Oh yeah.
Unfortunately, I didn't bring any type of frying pan.
Liking that.
Yeah.
Things get a little messy, but they still tasted good.
Christopher Cross. Yep. He is a fucking maniac, isn't he?
It was a pleasant surprise to hear Mo coming down the trail.
Come on!
Oh, yeah. It's pouring out there.
Holy cow.
I know, it's why you gotta get under here.
Who is that?
I don't know.
Look at it. Thanks for the invite. I'm so.
Yeah.
Give me a hug.
How was the road?
I don't know. I could barely fucking see it.
No.
It was so fucking wet, and all
Really?
the tree branches were hanging down, and
Yeah. Oh, the tree branches going through the
thought
washout.
I thought we had a guy, you know?
I was thinking about it. I was like, nah, leave it like that. Nobody comes in.
Yeah. The washout was disappointing. I wanted to fucking hot rod it.
No fucking water.
That's crazy. Well,
Yeah.
you're gonna get it, because fucking Eddington was thunder and lightning and fucking just pouring rain.
It's coming here.
Outran it.
Is it coming here? Oh, great.
It's a huge fucking wall of yellow.
Oh, no.
Well, now,
Dump up.
here we go.
That's not bad.
What's wrong with that?
Nothing.
Perfect.
It could be better, but
No,
whatever.
that's perfect. Well,
considering I got here 20 minutes ago.
yeah, that's not bad. Dude, yeah, you got me beat.
I try heating some water up over the fire, but it's going a little bit too slow. I decide to put the kettle right on the coals. Packing up was a simple chore, and then it's time to get on the trail.